We're sending out over 25,000 cold DMs on Twitter every single month, and today I'm going to get straight to it and show you exactly how you can do it yourself. So we use this tool called DMpro.ai. You can get a free trial, link in the bio. Once you sign up for DMpro, it'll walk you through an onboarding guide, how to connect your Twitter accounts. Once you connect your Twitter accounts, you can come here to tasks to scrape a list of leads. The way we scrape leads with DMpro is by finding followers from big influencers. So if you want to get the entrepreneurial niche, you'll find some influencers in that entrepreneurial niche, scrape their followers, and you have a list of leads. So right now we have a few that we've already scraped, but if we want to scrape new followers, simply go here. We will scrape Matt Gray's followers because he is an amazing creator in the entrepreneurial niche. And we're going to scrape 5,000 leads from his followers. Cool. So now it's going to set up and scrape his leads. Cool. And after a little bit, it will say that the leads are completed. So now we have 5,000 of Matt Gray's followers, as well as all these other groups that we've scraped before. So now we can go to campaigns to make a new campaign. For this, we're just going to name it DM Pro Outreach. For this, you can pick as many leads as you want. So we're going to just select all of the leads that we have here. That way we can target everyone. And the cool thing with DM Pro is it'll automatically skip people that you've already reached out to before, so you don't have to worry about sending out duplicates. For the message, we're going to keep it short, sweet. If you need any help with this, feel free to ask ChatGPT. You can add multiple messages and it'll just A/B test them, so you can constantly check and improve your conversion rates. For this one, we're just going to add 2 messages, and then after a while, we can see how it performs. You can target people based off their specific following, keywords. How we're going to be sending out over 25,000 cold DMs every single month is by using 2 accounts. That way each account is sending out 450 DMs per day, and that adds up to about 27,000 a month. Now we're going to hit create campaign and we're going to watch the magic happen. And if you see here, after a little bit, it's going to say that it is running. 3 DMs have sent, 1 have failed. If it's failed, that just means that the user's DMs are closed and you can't reach them. But if we come here to Twitter, we'll see that these DMs are going out 100% automated, and it's going to be running 24/7, sending out 450 DMs per day per account, bringing in traffic to your website or product on autopilot. So test out DM Pro for free in the bio.